Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you've noticed that I've kind of been missing for a while, especially since I am officially a stay-at-home mom now, and that's mainly due to the fact that our house is so torn apart that I have no idea where to film. And so right now I am in Evelyn's room, hence the E. Evelyn is my daughter, for those of you that don't know. And she decided that she did not want to take a nap today, and thankfully her dad is home, so she is hanging out with him while I'm filming. So yeah, these videos might be a little bit sporadic for a while since we are kind of taking everything slowly. We're doing everything ourselves. Well, Joe is basically doing everything by himself. So yeah, it'll be a while and I'll try to film every once in a while, but I don't know where I'll be or what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, the house is looking really nice. It's just that it's still not quite finished, and then if I show it on video it's gonna look weird, and yeah, I hope that makes sense. So today I'm doing a KnitCrate unboxing and I'm really excited about it. So I got it yesterday and the projects from last month are almost finished. One sock is not quite done, but this is the shawl from last month. This is the West Wind shawl by Ann Podolsak, and it is made out of the Vitellana Dream yarn. And it's a 75% merino, 15% silk, and 10% cashmere blend. I've got my little notes right over here if you're wondering. So it looks like this. This is in the colorway Tapenada, and I love this. Look at that. Like, it's not cabled. It's definitely lace, but isn't that pretty detailing? I love this. And then this stitch was so much fun to do right here. This kind of slip to rib sort of thing. Love it. It is so cozy to wear for these winter months. We have had snow so much already this year. In fact, just earlier today it was snowing, so yeah, definitely a fall winter staple for me. Love it. And the socks. So the socks is where I didn't quite get finished. These are the switchback socks by Hannah Thiessen, and they look like that. These are made out of the Knitology Cozy Sock yarn, and it's also a 75% merino, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. So this is my finished one. It's all blocked and pretty. I love it. And this one is in the colorway, what colorway is this? Rosy Cheeked, there we go. Yeah, so there's my first one. And my second one is so close. I probably could have finished it and then filmed this tomorrow, but you know, I just didn't have any idea what my schedule was gonna look like. So yeah, I have turned the heel here and I started working on the foot, but it's not quite finished. This is such an interesting heel. What is it called? A wedge heel, I think. Let me look it up for a second. I've never done that heel before. So, band heel. It's a band heel, but it does turn out pretty well. I mean, this is the blocked version, so you can kind of see it there. And it looks just like a regular sock. It just, when you're knitting it up, it looks kind of funny. So yeah, if you're making these, definitely block them. But yeah, so those were the projects from last month. So let's hop into this month. Okay, so let's take a peek in the newest ones. So I did open them already. This is one, and then the other one came in the box, and I'm not sure why they're different, but they are. So we'll start with this one because this one's, you know, easier to see. So let's see. Oh, this must be the KnitCrate membership. So I get two different boxes. I get the KnitCrate membership, which has 2 skeins of yarn, and then I also get the sock crate, which has 1 skein of fingering weight yarn. So this is what I have for yarn this month. Let's see, this is Audine Wools by KnitCrate, and this is in Halo DK in the colorway of Mouse. Isn't that pretty? Gray has been like my go-to color for this season, if you can't tell. So this is definitely a good colorway for me. And then let's see if we can find, oh my goodness, this is heavy duty. So this is the book for this month. It says inspirations on it. I am so sorry about my cat. I don't know what to do with him. He wants to be with me all the time, but sometimes, you know, it's nice to get away. So anyway, yeah, this is a much beefier book. So this is the one from last month. It's a fairly thin book. It has all of the patterns in it. It talks about the pattern designers and all of that. So I want to take a quick peek at this guy. So, oh wow, it has a whole table of contents. It talks about this month's theme, the membership crate. It's got the crochet and knitting pattern, which is for the KnitCrate membership. And let's see. Oh, and then it talks about the designers, Yarn Fairy and the Pixies. What does that mean? Let me see here. This is a very large book. Oh, this is about the dyers. Oh, that is really cool. I don't think I've seen that before. Oh, and then it talks about, oh wow, you guys. This has like all of the patterns for all of the different crates in here. So it's got the artisan crate pattern and the artisan sock pattern. So they've got a bunch of different boxes, but they have all of the patterns in here, and it talks about all of the different like designers and dyers and everything. Oh, and then there's a sneak peek at the very end. Ooh, that is cool. I'm not going to show you the sneak peek, but yeah, so this has everything in it. So that means that when we get to the sock crate, yeah, I'm just gonna go through this one book. So let's take a look at the patterns for this month. So page 8 is the crochet pattern, and it is Moss Boss by Brienne Malden. I don't know how well this is going to look. It actually does look pretty good, doesn't it? I love that moss stitch. It's just one of my favorites. So what size hook does it use? I've got like one crochet hook. So where are you? A J, and I have an H. That's pretty close, right? I think I could maybe do that one. And then Huerta by Pearl Knitter looks like this with size 9 needles. And of course, I am mostly a knitter, so I definitely have size 9 needles. So that's what it looks like. I know that there's quite a bit of glare coming through here, but oh, there we go. There's a decent angle of it. So yeah, also very, very pretty. I don't know, I really like the moss stitch. And I think it's just because I really like that texture. I like it with knitting too. So I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet. Okay, so moving on to the sock crate. I'll let you guys have the first peek. What's it look like? What do you think? Is it pretty? Ooh, oh, I think it's pretty. This looks very similar to one that I've actually dyed up before. I've called it Evelyn Loves Blueberries. And I think that it's still on my Etsy shop if you wanted to take a look at it. Either that or just get this month's subscription and you've got that. So yeah, the books are the same. So I'm just gonna use the one that I've got to check out the pattern. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is the Vitalana Delight sock in the colorway Morning. And this one is an 80% merino wool and 20% nylon. So it looks like that. It's a very, very pale blue with kind of a little bit of tonal feeling going through it, I guess. So it's got some of that cream, some of that blue. Very, very pretty. Love that. And then let's see if we can find the pattern here. So sock membership crate 44. This is so slick and you get so many more patterns. Okay, ooh, this is pretty. So this is the Twisted Argyle sock by Kate Atherley. And it looks like that. Isn't that pretty? I think once I get those switchback socks done, I'm gonna switch right over to these guys because these are so pretty and I can't wait to do them out of this yarn. I love it. So yeah, that is my knit crate for this month. I am so excited to start working on these. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in trying KnitCrate out yourself, I do have a coupon code for 20% off with the code PEARLS20, so you can certainly take advantage of that. As for right now, I'm going to go relieve my husband, and I will see you guys later. Bye!